In a first major step towards peace for the ongoing violent crisis in Manipur, a peace talk involving legislatures belonging to MEETEI, KUKI and NAGA communities, which is initiated by Ministry of Home Affairs, is underway at Ministerial Hall in 20 Subramaniam Bharti Mark Khan Market in New Delhi today. The meeting reportedly started from 1:30 p.m. The much-anticipated meeting will be attended by MLAs belonging to MEETEI, KUKI and NAGA communities. NPF leader and Minister Awangbao Nyumai, Mao MLA Losi Dikho, Ukhrul MLA Ram Muiva are likely to be present in the meeting, while for KUKI, Horticulture Minister Late Pau Haukip, Tipaimuk MLA Ngursanglur Sanate, Henglep MLA Ledzamang Haukip, Saikot MLA Haukelet Kibjian are expected to attend the meeting. The meeting is crucial as this is first effort to send off center to facilitate for MEETEI, KUKI and NAGA MLAs to sit down together for a dialogue after KUKI MLAs have so far abstained from attending any assembly sessions that were carried out during the ongoing crisis.